Welcome back to another lesson. Today, I'd like to show you 2 finger picking patterns that help you get more familiar and comfortable with the CHET Atkins style of playing. So for this lesson, I'd recommend that you get yourself a thumb pick, but it's not compulsory. This will also work without one. Let's dive into the first pattern. The pattern itself is thumb, index, thumb, middle. And then it just repeats. Thumb, index, thumb, middle. It has a 1E ender, 2E ender rhythm, if that makes sense. Let's try and implement it over a chord progression. The chords we'll use for this exercise will be C, A minor, F, and G. Or maybe played like this. I don't know yet. Here's what the chord progression sounds like. If you can, play along at home. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you hear that 1E ender, 2E ender, 3E ender, 4E ender rhythm coming out of the finger picking pattern? So for this pattern, try to keep in mind that the thumb changes string every time you use it. So the thumb does not stay stagnant on any of the strings. For example, the first time you use the thumb, it's on the A string. And then the second time I use it, it's on the D string. And when I have a 6-string chord, the first time you use it, it's on the E string. And then it goes to the A string. Try to work towards this feeling of independence between each of your fingers on the right hand. So rather than just sort of learning the pattern through muscle memory, but not really having a, how should I say it, strong sense of consciousness of each finger, really try to slow down and actively think about each finger as you use it. And this will help you develop the sense of awareness in your right hand. Now let's move on to the second finger picking pattern. It has this sort of 6/8 feel, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the order of picking on your right hand will be thumb, middle, index, thumb, middle, index. With this particular technique, it's the thumb that is acting as sort of the melody player and your other 2 fingers as accompaniment players. So try and make sure your thumb notes sound a bit more distinct in your playing, and maybe a little bit louder or a bit more texture. And these 2 fingers a little bit quieter to help lift up the notes that the thumb is playing. I'll demonstrate it for you now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once you've sort of got these patterns into your muscle memory, try and implement them on other chord progressions or use other ideas so you can really get these techniques into your playing in a very free and flowy way. The tabs for this lesson will be available on my website or on my Patreon, and I'll leave a link to both of those in the description. I really hope you liked the lesson. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys at the next one.